Ladies and gentlemen of the beautiful crypto space, today has been by far one of the craziest days we have seen for our altcoins, with coins like XRP hitting heights of $1.77 throughout the last couple of minutes here, literally going to 177. But also some of my favorite coins like Algorand just going absolutely insane. As you can see, the coin right now is up over 30% throughout the day at almost 40 cents, even though yesterday it was just at 30 cents. Obviously, that's what 30% up in a day means, but it's just crazy to watch these coins go. XRP up 17%. It was up 27 or so percent earlier. Theta is up. 𝗕𝗓𝗪 is up a good ton. XLM has been performing some crazy numbers here. Brett is up. Core is up. WIF is up, even though I'm still down bad on that one. Man, I should have actually taken a little look at the XRP position that right now is roughly 35K worth of profit. I think here, I should have looked. But our coins are going crazy right now, ladies and gentlemen. And I guess it's basically what I described for you guys earlier with Bitcoin continuing on the course. Look at this, right? We have confirmed all we expected. Beautiful. Anyway, as we said before, the moment Bitcoin breaks out and gets the confirming candle, things might start getting crazy from here to continue on with the course. And like I said before as well, every time it gets to Friday, I get a little bit cranky, get a little bit excited because that's when the retail comes back in to swoop up everything, right? Fridays it is from now forward, ladies and gents. Anyway, many people were asking me what my XRP and actually, funny enough, Algorand price predictions were. So today I want to briefly just talk about exactly what I think is going to happen to these coins. I kind of want to include Cardano ADA too, but I've done a video on it not too long ago. Then again, it is up another 7% today. And many people said, no, a $1 barrier for Cardano is going to take so long for it to be breached. Look at where we are today, huh? Same for Stellar XLM right now sitting above 50 cents, even though many people said it could not be held. And 𝗕𝗓𝗪 again sitting above 15 cents at 1.589. Then again, I'll quickly go over my expectations. So for XRP, I said earlier today at $1.60 that I'm expecting that this weekend is going to be the most important close, as we're going to have a close most likely above 155, which will be the highest close all the way since January of 2018. So this will basically be the first time in 7 years that we get price action like this, with a close above such a high threshold. And from that perspective, I think a move towards $1.69, if Bitcoin just continues on, is very, very expected. I should say very much expected. And as I said in the stream, it could even happen today. Now, again, we got cut short ever so slightly, because $1.70 was pretty amazing, but $1.70 was obviously even crazier. Just for fun, let's quickly take a look at the XP price on Coinbase. Yeah, even on Coinbase, it just went to right around 178, something like that. And again, for the short term, my own expectation is $2, slightly below it, is very much expected, hopefully within a few days if Bitcoin doesn't go crazy here. Not financial advice, it's just my expectation. Then again, longer term, the all-time high is obviously a very, very good goal to have, but I personally think our first real target for where things get serious is roughly double the all-time high, maybe around $6 or so per XRP. And right here, just look at this chart. People laughed at this. They laughed at this a lot, but look at how things have come, huh? Anyway, so that's for XRP. And by the way, guys, if you also want to trade like we are doing right now with XRP, with the competition, by the way, over on Bluefin, link is down below for this. There's still a trading competition going on right now. I think I'm going to run a new campaign, an even cooler one, but this one, you can find the link down below. The more you trade, the more you get. Just check it out with the link down below. 10% cashback up to $500. And a couple of cool rewards like a Tesla for the more you trade. Or Bybit, there's also a link down below for that. But Bluefin, anybody in the world can trade on. Right now, our $1,500 worth of XRP is still in about, I'm going to say $35,000 worth of profit. Definitely not too bad. But besides that, another expectation I've got is for Algorand. Algorand has been performing like crazy over the past month or two. Actually 1 month I should call it, because the funny part is the last time I took a look at Algorand, it was like 15, maybe 12 cents, I guess, around this time. And I thought, ooh, all right, Algorand is really quite undervalued or quite low in price right now. And I guess it really didn't want to sit at those levels for too long, because slightly after I noticed, hey, it's been pretty dippy here. It just kept on going. And I thought kind of like, oh, okay, probably at these previous tops, the 30-cent mark, where we also saw it go earlier throughout the year, it might really top out a little bit, kind of face some struggles, kind of riff-raff, chill a little bit. But no, it did not. Because Algorand has been the top performer for so many days in a row. It's actually kind of scary. At some point, you get a little bit scared of just how high up can this coin go. right? I mean, we have still got a little ways to go to see these previous high points. There's still a lot of room for growth with Algorand, don't get me wrong. I'm just saying that if we take a look at the price action earlier throughout the year, going towards 31 cents, it being a very big deal, Algorand looking beautiful, it didn't even close to what it has right now. It didn't even have close to what it has right now in terms of the excitement, the hype, and the daily gain stats. Right now, it's just the #1 gainer. Multiple days after days after day after day after day after, it just keeps on going, ladies and gentlemen. And I don't know about you guys, but that makes me really, really hyped up. Then again, if we're taking a look at the all-time high, we're still about 90% down, as the all-time high here stands at $3.28. I'm going to just say the real high point that I think many people would really already consider as Algorand breaching high points is like $2 per algo. Then again, I think that's one of the easier targets to hit this run. I mean, it hit it back in 2021, the $2 mark, let's call it. I think a tripling of that high point is not too harsh from here. So I'm going to say as a target, maybe around a $6 or so algo. You got to understand, from where we were like a few weeks back, that's like a 50 to 60x. From here, still about a 15 or so x, still pretty good. But if you were holding Algorand for a little bit, that's a 60x that I was expecting. And that's obviously really quite crazy. People think, oh, 60x, that's crazy for such a big coin. Right now, we've already done about a 4x or so. Only a 15x to go from here just to be quote unquote satisfied. And I think that's kind of like a low expectation. Then again, for XRP, like I just said, a $10, $12 is kind of like a low estimate for where it's going to go this run. I think it's going to go way higher. For Cardano, I said as well, like a $10 mark is, okay, truthfully, I think a $7 mark is a very easy target to push. A very easy target to put out there, mostly because the previous price action, you can see it went to about $3, doubling, tripling the all-time high, not too crazy. If we just put $7 as a baseline, with $7 to $10 being kind of like a low estimate, I think that's kind of okay. Because it kind of just depends on how things go. Like XRP literally could go to $25 this run and it wouldn't be weird. Why? And many people doubt this, but if we take a look, we can see that the XP price back in 2017 went to about $3. Here it went to $2. Usually every single run, it does about a double or tripling, right? Not every coin, but usually it's not crazy to expect. So if we went to about $3 right here, let's just call it $3, right? Here, it could have gone to about 9. Here, it's going to go to about 27. But maybe deteriorating results, so it's going to go from 3 to 9 to what? Maybe 20. So about doubling over this season. Then again, people will rightfully so say, Dusty, it didn't hit any crazy price in 2021. So this time around, we should just triple whatever we saw back here or back here. To which I'm just going to say, okay, if we triple from back here, it's about $6. If we triple from about here, it's about $9, which is for that reason, I'm putting it as like a low base for my expected price. For Stellar, I kind of expect still a 10x from here as a no-brainer. For 𝗵𝗵𝗄, funny enough, I still expect a 10x from here as a no-brainer. From HBAR, the funny part is going to be how much along XRP and XLM will HBAR go? Or will it kind of split off at some point? Right now, HBAR has been one of the best performers out there. I wonder if that's going to continue on, or if some of the power is going to be dragged back to coins like the AI coins here, which we've said for a while I think are some of the most bullish verticals to look into. Partially AI coins, partially the AI memes. Both of those I'm extremely excited for, like I've been saying on the channel quite a while here. And I think it's also time for another update on which AI coins exactly I'm going to be going for, because there's many. And the hard part is a lot of them kind of have some dumb traits, to which I'm thinking, ooh, maybe not. And if we're taking an honest look, mostly the things that have been doing good are just our dinosaur coins. Like XRP is up 250% throughout the month. XLM is up 450% throughout the month. HBAR has been putting up some crazy numbers, 250% up in the month. You don't really need to diversify from that, as of this point at least, when they're doing that well. And as I stated, for these parts of the bull market, right, these earlier parts of the bull market, what we're looking for is coins that do well, that can do better. We're not looking to find. Anyway, right now, as it stands, our coins are coming down a little bit from the $98,000 level. For Bitcoin, obviously, Ethereum coming down from $3,600, XRP coming down from $1.77. But ladies and gentlemen, this is and I'm going to keep repeating it, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't take a look at where the prices are at now in the next few minutes. We've done some crazy results here, as the XP price has been putting up some crazy numbers day in, day out, day in, day out. And I keep saying, the fact that we're able to go this hard, to me, shows confidence that the old generation has in keeping this up. Many people will disagree, but I think, right, if we were at 50 cents just a few weeks back, right now $1.70, and the price is not falling down like crazy all of a sudden, what it most likely means, to me at least, is that people are kind of still holding on for higher prices in the near future. And that's honestly my thoughts as well. I think right now we are due for a crazy price increase on XRP still. I'm not satisfied with where we're at today. I'm not satisfied at all. I understand as well that we might dip from here. And at 177, I would not be as quick to buy. But even right now, I'm just thinking, man, should I just keep buying these freaking dips because of how bullish I am? Logic tells me, let's not do that though. Let's wait for another proper pullback though, or in case it happens, because we've got our XRP position open here. We've got our XRP in the holding still, and I was able to buy at $1.30, like what, 2 days ago, yesterday? I don't know. Like 3 days ago or so. So I shouldn't get ahead of myself here. I want a Black Friday discount, not a Black Friday premium, right? So anyway, I just wanted to quickly say, guys, prices are looking amazing right now as we speak. XRP 178, Algorand doing good, Cardano doing good, everything looking good, and a beautiful near-term future is ahead of us. Guys, if you want to trade crypto, link is down below to blow, and also make sure you press that like button if you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys again in another one. Make sure you put that notification bell on, and hallelujah.